Watch this 61-year-old man on a crime spree get a dressing down from the judge.
How many drug convictions have you had? That's terrible. You got out of 34th, 18th, you got an armed robbery. What the heck? What are you doing? You got an armed robbery conviction?
Different sort of.
He's on a roll here since 23. I mean, Mr. Abraham, how old are you?
61.
I mean, you're becoming a criminal. You've had 4 drug convictions and an armed robbery in the last 2 years. People against Thomas Patrick Abraham. 24W8330005B. Counsel, your appearance, and Mr. Abraham, your appearance, and Ms. O'Donnell.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Mr. Shemke, here on behalf of my client who approached and stands to my immediate left. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Ms. O'Donnell?
Jessica O'Donnell on behalf of probation.
All right, so this case is a probation violation. This alleges that the defendant failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive for cocaine metabolite on a chemical test of July the 29th.
Due to the nature of having a violation hearing, I've explained my client's rights. He's not requesting one. He'll admit to the violation and we can only ask for an opportunity to have.
If you plead guilty here, sir, you could get 5 days. This being a first technical violation. You understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign the advice of rights, revocation, probation, and read it and understand it?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Can I have the screening, please, to the charge that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive for a cocaine metabolite on a chemical test of July 29th. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you test positive for cocaine on that day, for a cocaine metabolite?
Yes.
Had you consumed cocaine within the preceding 5 days?
Yes.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Your plea is accepted. I find it to be an accurate plea. Is that what his problem is cocaine? Yeah. Cocaine and heroin. Listen, maybe you need to get into my sobriety court. Can't have you using this junk. You're gonna die. Why are you shaking your head? You don't want to get in the sobriety
No,
court?
I agree. I just, it was in my system and I've been tested 12 times since then.
Your
I've
Honor,
been sober.
Your Honor, since I got involved in this case, my client had a matter in Westland and Southgate. I've since taken care of the matter in Westland. We have a sentencing date next week in Southgate. I'd anticipate potential probationary terms. Judge, he has been testing.
What do you have on those cases?
Just drug-related case.
Both?
Yes, Judge.
What kind? Cocaine and heroin?
I believe, if memory serves me correctly, but misdemeanors, not felony charges.
Well, they just didn't charge him as felonies. So you're saying the other 12 tests have been negative?
This is correct, Your Honor. So this test that he violated on this July 29th, that was the first test.
Tell you what I'm gonna do, we're testing him twice a week, right?
We're testing him once a week. He's been negative since the first test. Everything's been great for him. He's been enrolled in IOP now. I think, again, this was just the initial first put off. We had some issues, but again, he's been compliant since, Your Honor. I've had no issues with him.
I'll tell you what, I'm setting the sentencing in 3 weeks. I'll do it when you're here, Mr. Shemke.
Judge, I was.
And when are you here 3 weeks from today?
Judge, closest date I'm here would be in October 1st.
October 1st, Lisa, oh no, I'm off that day, am I not, or no? What about in the morning? I could do it October 1 in the morning.
Absolutely, Judge.
October 1 at 8:30. Now listen to me very carefully. I'm not gonna send you to jail. If you come back in 3 weeks and you're positive again, you're gonna have your choice. You're either going into sobriety court or I'm sending you to jail. If you test negative all these times, I'll think I can justify this, rationalize it and say he's on the road to recovery. But if you come back positive on any of these tests from this date until October 1, I'm telling you, you're either going into sobriety court or you're going to jail. Do we understand one another?
Yes.
How many drug convictions have you had? That's terrible. You got out of 34th, 18th, you got an armed robbery. What the heck? What are you doing? You got an armed robbery conviction?
Your Honor, I did speak, I was very curious about this as well. My client worked for Delta for 29 years. He retired in 2014. He had severe pain, and I think he got onto pain meds, and then he escalated to a different sort of poison.
He's on a roll here since 23. I mean, Mr. Abraham, how old are you?
61.
I mean, you're becoming a criminal. You've had 4 drug convictions and an armed robbery in the last 2 years.
It was a bad time, Your Honor.
Well, you either straighten it out or I'm gonna straighten it out. And you're not gonna like the way I'm gonna straighten it out. Do we understand one another?
We do.
I'm still not sure I don't want to go into sobriety court. I'm not making any promises. I won't come up with that, but I will be reasonable with him if he is negative. Otherwise, he's going in sobriety court or he's going to jail. Thank you. Have a good day.